Snowplow Turn, Mastering Skiing Techniques. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the world of skiing vocabulary, focusing on the phrase, snowplow turn. This term is not just a random combination of words, it's a specific technique used in skiing. So, let's slide into the details and understand what this phrase really means. The snowplow turn is a fundamental skiing technique, especially for beginners. Imagine how a snowplow clears the snow off roads by pushing it to the sides. Similarly, in skiing, the snowplow turn involves positioning the front tips of the skis closer together, and the tails wider apart. This shape helps control speed and facilitates turning. It's an essential skill for those learning to ski, as it provides stability and control on the slopes. Let's dissect the phrase, snowplow. This word creates a visual representation of pushing or plowing through snow. In skiing, it refers to the specific shape the skis form. Turn. This simply refers to the action of changing direction while skiing. When combined, snowplow turn describes a turning action in skiing, executed with the skis in a snowplow position. Understanding terms like snowplow turn is crucial for English language learners who are interested in skiing or winter sports. It not only enhances your vocabulary but also helps you grasp the context in which these terms are used. Plus, if you ever find yourself on a ski slope, knowing this term could be very practical. That's a wrap on our exploration of the term, snowplow turn. We hope this video has shed light on this interesting phrase and added a new word to your English vocabulary. Remember, language learning is like skiing. The more you practice, the better you get. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.